I chose YTI because it's a smaller school, so I get a lot of hands-on projects. I get to work very closely with the instructors. I learn by doing. I don't really learn by just watching a video or hearing somebody speak all the time. For me, I learn better actually doing things.
The fact that they all came from the field is super crucial to being able to be a good instructor to future chefs. They just have such a good insight on things that other people wouldn't understand. It's a whole new environment, and to be able to learn from somebody that's been through it and has done it for many years, 10 years, and it makes all the difference in the world.
I work in a hospital now, and one of the courses that we had at YTI was like a hospital pharmacy class, and it taught you like needlework and doing like putting IVs together, and that's a main part of my job right now. They definitely prepared me a lot. I've heard it so many times, like when I went to externship and when I started my job here, that they didn't have to train me once I started. They already taught me all the basics and I could just jump into the job. I had a great experience at YTI. I'm so grateful for all of my teachers and everyone that was there to help me and push me to get to where I am now.